Throughout history, myths and legends have described fantastical creatures with extraordinary features. While many of these beings are fictional, some real-life animals bear an uncanny resemblance to them. From dragons to unicorn-like creatures, nature has its own versions of mythical beasts. Here are 10 animals that look like they stepped out of a legend. 1. Frilled dragon, resembles a miniature dragon. The frilled dragon, Chlamydosaurus kingii, looks like a tiny dragon with its impressive neck frill, which flares out when it feels threatened. Native to Australia and New Guinea, this reptile can also run on its hind legs, adding to its mythical appearance. 2. Narwhal, the real-life unicorn of the sea. The narwhal, Monodon monoceros, is often called the unicorn of the sea because of its long, spiraled tusk. This tusk is actually an extended tooth, sometimes growing over 10 feet long. Narwhals live in Arctic waters and have inspired many unicorn legends. 3. Axolotl, the living water spirit. The axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum, is an aquatic salamander that retains its larval features throughout its life. With feathery gills and a permanently smiling face, it resembles ancient depictions of water spirits or magical creatures from folklore. 4. Shoebill stork, a bird resembling a dinosaur. The shoebill stork, Baleniceps rex, looks like something straight out of prehistoric times. With its massive, shoe-shaped beak and piercing stare, it resembles a dinosaur or a creature from a fantasy novel. This bird can stand motionless for hours, adding to its eerie presence. 5. Glass frog, a transparent creature like a ghostly being. Glass frogs, Centralinidae family, have translucent skin, allowing their internal organs to be visible. Their ghostly appearance has led to comparisons with legendary spirits and magical creatures from folklore. 6. Saiga antelope, a beast with an alien-like snout. The saiga antelope, Saiga tatarica, has a uniquely shaped, bulbous nose that looks otherworldly. This odd feature helps it filter dust and regulate temperature in the harsh climates of Central Asia, making it a real-life equivalent of a mystical beast. 7. Blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, a stunning sea serpent. The blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, is a tiny sea slug with vibrant blue and silver colors. Floating on the ocean's surface, it looks like a mystical sea serpent. Despite its beauty, it is highly venomous and can deliver a painful sting. 8. Okapi, a mysterious forest guardian. The okapi, Okapia johnstoni, looks like a blend of different animals, with a body resembling a horse and legs striped like a zebra. Native to the dense forests of Central Africa, it remained hidden from the world for centuries, adding to its legendary status. 9. Leafy sea dragon, the ocean's camouflaged dragon. The leafy sea dragon, Phycodurus equi, is a master of disguise, with delicate, leaf-like appendages that help it blend into seaweed. This beautiful creature looks like an underwater dragon, gracefully drifting through the ocean currents. 10. Indian purple frog, a frog that resembles a gnome. The Indian purple frog, Nasicobatrachus sayadrensis, has a bloated, round body with a small pointed snout, making it look like a creature from fantasy folklore. Spending most of its life underground, it only emerges briefly during the monsoon season. Nature is full of incredible creatures that resemble mythical beings. From ocean unicorns to tiny dragons, these animals remind us that the natural world is just as magical as the legends we create. Who knows what other mythical-looking animals are still waiting to be discovered?